It's the same page. It doesn't have one page. Where is Raila?
It's coming. Okay.
So it's only one page? Excellent.
It's okay.
It's okay now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now comes there. Yeah.
Oh, you got them?
Yeah. That's okay. This is.
Let me try to remove because my
Going
eyes
up is
are
going up a little. It starts from here. Yeah, you only need to. Okay, fine. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, we have an important statement. Resolutions of Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition Special Meeting. We, the Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition leaders, drawn from the Council of Governors, Parliamentary Group, and the County Assemblies Forum, have gathered here at Stony Athi Resort, Machakos County, this Thursday, the 6th April 2023, and review the status of our country in light of the ongoing national discourse, and have resolved the following. Number one, excuse me, it's not. Okay. Number one, we reaffirm that we in Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition are ready and open to a genuine, honest and transparent dialogue in the interest of Kenya, devoid of some of the grandstanding and intransigence we are witnessing from some in Kenya Kwanza. Number two, that we fully adopt the position of the coalition as set out in the keynote speech delivered by His Excellency Raila Odinga at this retreat. Number three, that the Azimio coalition reiterates its call for a genuine, inclusive, national dialogue outside the constrictions of Parliament in order to achieve the intended goals. Number four, fully aware that the majority of Kenyans are unable to put food on the table, and as a first sign of goodwill and precursor to any discussions between the two sides, the Kenya Kwanza regime must immediately announce specific measures taken to, one, bring the cost of unga to no more than 100 shillings for a 2 kg packet. Number two, a reduction in the cost of fuel and electricity. Number three, an immediate reduction in school fees. Then point number five, that the Azimio team will be ready to begin the conversation as soon as Kenya Kwanza comply with the resolution above, and to this end, announce the names of the following members to lead the deliberations on behalf of the coalition. Number one, I read the names. Number one, Senator Ledama Olekina. Number two, Senator Edwin Sifuna. Number three, Senator Enoch Wambua. Number four, Honorable Amina Mnyazi. Number five, Honorable Millie Odhiambo. Number six, Honorable David Kosing. And number seven, Honorable Tiende Amolo. We have absolute faith with the team and ask that every member of the coalition to give them the necessary support. Dated at dated at Stony Athi this Thursday, the 6th day of April, the year of our Lord 2023. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Okay.
Questions? No need for that. No, thank you.
Today I decided
Principal.
Msikia